In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily track website analytics on Wix. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or someone diving into the world of website management, understanding your site's analytics is key to growth. So let's dive in and make sense of your site's performance. First things first, we need to log into your Wix dashboard. Head over to wix.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're on the platform, take a moment to locate the website you want to track analytics for. This is especially important if you manage multiple sites on Wix, as each will have its own unique data set. So be sure to select the right site from your dashboard. Now that you've selected your website, let's move on to the next step, accessing your analytics and reports. Look over to the left-hand menu on your dashboard. Here you'll find an option labeled Analytics and Reports. This is your gateway to understanding how your website's performing. So go ahead and click on it. Upon accessing the Analytics and Reports section, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive overview of your site's performance metrics. This area is packed with valuable insights, including your total site visits, traffic sources, and general engagement statistics. These elements can help shape your strategy going forward. Let's take a closer look at what each of these metrics can tell you about your website. The site visits metric gives you a baseline understanding of how often people are coming to your website. If you find this number lower than you'd like, it might be time to invest in SEO or promotional efforts. Meanwhile, traffic sources provide insight into where your visitors are coming from. Are they finding you through search engines, social media, or perhaps a newsletter? Knowing the path they take to your site helps you hone in on what's working and what might need some tweaking. Finally, engagement metrics offer a lens into how much visitors are interacting with your content. Are they spending a good amount of time on your pages, or are they leaving fairly quickly? This can highlight opportunities for you to refine your content or improve the user experience on your site. With this data now at your fingertips, you're well equipped to make informed decisions that support your website's growth and success. Regularly checking these analytics ensures you stay responsive to your audience's needs and can pinpoint opportunities for improvement. And there you have it. A simple way to track website analytics using Wix. By understanding these key performance indicators, you're better positioned to drive more traffic, engage your audience, and ultimately reach your website goals. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.